Hi everybody, today I will show you how to convert CSV file into Google Sheets. So to do this, simply open Google Sheets, click on the file option at the top left, click on import. Now you will see this pop-up where you're going to simply click on upload, or you can also upload the CSV file from your drive. In my case, I will upload the CSV file from my PC. So I will click upload and click browse. Now simply select the CSV file that you want to upload. As you can see, this is a CSV file. Now, I will simply select this file and click open. This will instantly upload this to my Google Sheets and I will see this dialog box. Now, click the import location option and choose create new spreadsheet. Now, in the separator type, you can leave it to detect automatically, or you can choose your own separator type according to your preference. Now, you can choose whether you want to convert text to numbers, dates, and formulas or not. Click import data option available here, and it will instantly convert the CSV file to your sheets. And you can click on this open now button. And as you can see, I just converted that specific CSV file to my Google Sheets. So that's how you convert a CSV file into Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.